That figure from?
Mbeki downplayed the issue of undocumented migrants in the country, saying he can't understand South Africans marching against them.
If they are not documented, they've not been counted. So who told you there are many? Where do you get that figure from? But people go marching up and down the streets because of this undocumented people are a big threat. How do they know? I'm saying the word undocumented means uncounted. So how many are they, the undocumented? Are they 500? Are they 5 million? What's the number? Nobody knows. But they are a problem.
A placard demonstration also took place on the steps of St. George's Cathedral in solidarity with African migrants who have been subjected to threats and denied access to hospitals, clinics and schools.
We are saying that we are against xenophobia. We are against Afrophobia. So the people that are doing these things, they do not represent the majority of South Africa. And whilst we know there are challenges, there are unemployment, there are high levels of violence in this country, there are issues. But we cannot blame it on our fellow brothers and sisters.